my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. Okay. I'm bouncing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
As Operation Clean This Shit is underway, we now got more room in front of the Cutlass. Just pull it forward so we can get to the back, so we can get into this next video. So let me get this pulled up for you. Ooh, what cold right there. Alright guys, so now that we got that taken care of, what we're gonna do is we're gonna be hopping into the trunk, and then I can tell you the purpose of the video, other than getting that cool sounding you know, cam clip. So there's still a lot of stuff in here that need to come out. I don't have a spot for it right now. Like a lot of these Ryobi bags, when I went crazy last year during the Ryobi days, you know what I'm saying, get so many batteries, all that shit. So now I got like 4 or 5 bags. Y'all know I got mine mounted up on the wall, so I don't need those. Got some C10 door panels I don't need. Some other stuff. But let me tell you the real reason we got the trunk popped on this cut dog. Oh, there you go. So as you can see here, we got the Boss 4x10 speakers, 400 watts, 3-way, full range. Now, I've never really fooled with Boss, but apparently this 4x10 is not a common size. I didn't want to do like a whole lot of fabrication and all of that. I found these on eBay or Amazon for like maybe 40, 50 bucks. So, like I said, the engine probably louder than these speakers could ever be anyway. So, we ain't too much worried about it. Biggest thing is having something in there, you know. So let me go ahead and get the box open so we can take a closer look. Alright, let's give me a little razor blade there. Get that bust open like that. So I mean, these is pretty simple on the install, man. I mean, it's the wires that's already there. You may have to hardwire them into your car. Turn y'all this way for a little minute. So yeah, you may have to hardwire them into your car, but it may come with some adapters or something on it too. A lot of times they do. So they got some mounting screws and nuts. Probably won't be using those. And they got some more tape here. More tape, more tape. So yeah, the Boss Chaos. You know what I mean? Boss Chaos. I'm guessing like 4 of them screws are used to just mount the grill guard to it. 400 watt max power, 4 ohms, a positive and a negative. I mean, it's a speaker, y'all. Ain't nothing I can really tell you different. You know what I'm saying? Or from what you already know about a speaker. Give me a sec. We're gonna get in the trunk and see what we looking like. All right, so now that we're in the trunk, I had to rig up some artificial light. You know what I'm saying. But we got it good to where we needed to be, so it's decent on camera. So, like I said, I got a lot of stuff I need to either put it in the place it need to be or dispose of it or whatever, but that's for another video, behind the scenes, whatever. So as you can see, it's pretty much just this plate from what I can tell, and I want to say it was similar on my box Chevy. This little metal bracket is what goes up under the speaker and holds it up there. I don't know that I'm gonna go ahead and install them right now. For the simple fact that I don't even have a head unit in the car. That's another thing that we may be getting into, but you know, as we working on the console for the box Chevy, we may be doing something similar for the Cutlass as well. If not, we'll just be going with a unit inside of the dashboard, but to be determined at this point in time. Let me see. What we got? Y'all see where there was an older power wire ring? I was trying to see if I could identify the actual speaker wire. That way we can see if we were going to be dealing with let me see here. See, that looks like it was it, and it got cut. I'm not exactly sure what that wire goes to. I guess the cat's out the bag. These are get the shocks for the C10 for the rear. Ta-da! Let's see what we got. So this is like a ground. I don't know what it goes to though. I think this may be the actual wire though, like this brown and yellow. This may be the actual speaker wires. Yeah. Good times, good times. But like I said, the main thing we just want to point out is that we do got the speakers, man. They're on deck. We're gonna get them installed here in the near future for your listening enjoyment. But source of the radio is still to be determined, whether we're gonna go with a console or straight out the dash. So continue to watch videos, watch for these updates. Like I said, I'm kind of getting away from the how-tos, man, on some things, and I'm pretty much just, just giving y'all updates. Like, hey, we got these, what they're gonna be going into, etc., etc., etc. So, until next time, man, remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Go.